What is 3D Layer Tool and how it's work? If we draw a rectangular in After Effects, then we will see in Transform section its functions have been activated. Now, if you see on top right side of this section, one 3D box is showing. Here are 3 empty checkboxes are showing also. If we check this box, then its 3D layer features will be activated. Now, one multicolor arrow sign becomes showing on screen. If we will in Transform a Panel section, some more features have been added here. Just like Orientation, X rotation, Y rotation, and Z rotation. These are helping tools which will give help make 3D layer feature objects. If we increase the value of X rotation, then our drawing become move as, and if we decrease this, then it move as. Similarly, we can rotate any object as 3D rotation by Y rotation and Z rotation. There is one thing that is very important here, and before using the rotation tool, take special care of this thing, and that is the anchor point. Because if we change the location of the anchor point, the shape of the rotation will change. For example, if we bring this anchor point to the left corner of our drawing, then our rotation will be something like this. The 3 rotation by help of usage of mouse only. If we click on this multicolor arrow icon, then X-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis rings will show, and we can use them such as I hope your concept about 3D rotation have been clear with this video. Keep in touch with me for more informatic lesson about multimedia product. Our next lesson will be on keyframe nodes work, and we'll learn about animation and 3D animation in motion graphics. Thanks for watching.